The mighty Iguazu Falls that border Brazil and Argentina are roaring stronger after intense rains in southern Brazil saw its load swell. According to local media, the downpour of the falls is 3 times the usual rate, from 1.5 to 3.6 million liters of water per second. The increase was caused by the rains along the Iguazu River, which flows into the Iguazu National Park where the falls sit.
Je viens de France, j'habite Paris et je viens visiter le Brésil et les cascades d'Iguazu. On m'avait dit que c'était les plus belles cascades du monde et je suis venu vérifier que c'était les plus belles cascades et effectivement c'est incroyable, cet endroit est incroyable, les cascades sont magnifiques et le parc est bien préservé, c'est vraiment incroyable.
Isso aqui em Foz e assim é simplesmente magnífico. É uma sensação, uma energia, é algo assim que não tem igual, não tem como descrever em palavras, só vindo para poder sentir toda essa magia que está aqui em Foz. Recomendo.
Deadly rain in southern Brazil has flooded vast swaths of the region, causing over 90 deaths and with more than 130 missing. Extensive damage has been reported in the southernmost Rio Grande do Sul state.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, feel free to leave your comments or suggestions in the comment section below. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you in the next one.